Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First up, a look at the top stories. Government reduces VAT on petroleum products. LPG cylinder to be cheaper by 15 rupees, 88 paisa reduced on petrol, 70 paisa on diesel. Congress MLAs demand width of only 35 meters for national highway. Suggest flyovers wherever required. (837 starred and 1,731 unstarred questions to feature in monsoon session of Assembly. 15 days session to pass appropriation bill. Vishwajit Rane clarifies that district hospital at Mapsa will take at least 6 months to start. Challenges BJP, says their strike will not affect him in any way. And NSUI head Sunil Kautankar alleges DYSP of Crime Branch Chandrakant Sargaonkar of involvement in drugs nexus. Police refused to record the part of his statement. Now the news in detail. Government on Wednesday decided to reduce VAT on petroleum products. Government has cancelled VAT on LPG cylinder. Government has also reduced 2% VAT on petrol and diesel. LPG cylinder will be cheaper by 15 rupees, petrol by 88 paisa and diesel by 70 paisa. Government will suffer a loss of 41 crore rupees due to this decision.
15 days back, central government deregulated petroleum product prices. State government on Wednesday cancelled VAT on LPG cylinder and reduced 2% VAT on petrol and diesel. Earlier, Union Petroleum Minister had asked chief ministers of different states to reduce VAT on petroleum products to give relief to the common man.
Government has decided on cylinders, LPG domestic, which is consumed by the people, women, basically for cooking. The VAT charge was 4%. We have decided to bring it to 0%. We put them into the category of 0%. So that will give them minimum 15 रुपये per cylinder तरी impact जातलो. Petrol and diesel. The VAT charge at the moment was 22% and 21%. We have decided to reduce the VAT by 2% on both. Petrol may come down by around 88 paise per litre and diesel may come down by around 70 paise per litre. Decided to grant enhanced honorarium to Anganwadi workers and helpers. So Anganwadi workers will now get 1000 rupees more than what they are getting today, and Anganwadi helpers will get 700 rupees more than what they are getting today. I think Goa probably is the first state where we are going to pay Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers.
Our principal correspondent Mirari Shetty with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
That's going to bring some relief. Meanwhile, the Congress MLAs have demanded that width of national highways should be only 35 meters. They also mentioned that wherever needed, flyovers should be built and work of Golden Jubilee Zuari Bridge should commence at the earliest.
Congress Legislative Party meet was held at Chief Minister's residence on Wednesday. Except Home Minister Ravi Naik and Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, all other MLAs were present for the meet. Babush Monserrat was also present for the meeting. This was his first CLP meet after joining Congress.
The Minister and the PWD and the Chief Minister assured the CLP members that already it is taken up with the central government, and as such wherever there are more houses, the 4-laning or 6-laning of this particular highway will be restricted to not more than 45 meters. There was a demand from the CLP members that why 45? You can have a decent highway with even 35 meters in a small state like Goa. It was also suggested by some MLAs that we should impress upon the central government that wherever possible we should have the flyovers so that less number of people are affected as a consequence of the highway coming. Lot of stress was also laid on the Zuari bridge, the signature Zuari bridge, which members felt should come up. The foundation stone laying ceremony should take place at the earliest. As regards the religious structures, it was clarified and explained to all that first it was impression was created that all religious structures will be demolished along the highway. Only those in government and public places will be demolished. There is no question of those religious structures facing the acts which come in Komdad land, because Komdad is a private institution. Same thing as regards the national highway. They said a presentation is to be made as regards all the constituencies with the respective MLAs, so they know, and even the sarpanchis for that matter of that respective area. So people know as to which house is facing X, which house is now going to be protected.
Our reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Monsoon session of the Assembly will commence for 15 days from 19 July. Altogether, 871 starred and 1,731 unstarred questions will be raised during the session. Opposition is all set to target the ruling coalition on issues like drugs nexus, excise scam and illegal mining.
Business Advisory Committee meeting was held on Wednesday at Goa Assembly Conference Hall. Speaker of Goa Assembly Pratap Singh Rane, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav, MGP President Deepak Daulikar, NCP President Jose Philip D'Souza and Opposition Leader Manohar Parrikar were present along with the other officials.
Question as on date we received star question 871 and unstar आमकां 1731 सगळे total 2602.
The monsoon session will go on for 15 days. Opposition members will raise questions on drug nexus issue, Nadia death case, excise scam, illegal mining and many more issues.
15 sitting no, as per the proposed program 15 sittings.
During this session, all the important appropriation bills need to be passed. Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamble, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.